Hey, what's up guys? In this short video I'll show you how to change default Woocommerce theme to something more nice looking. And to do this, first we need to go to admin panel. Let's go to admin panel by adding /wp-admin to our domain name and hit enter. Let's click login here and let's go to appearance, themes, and click here. Here you can see we have Storefront theme active by default, and we are going to change it to something that looks more nicer. Here let's click add new. On this page you can see some free themes from WordPress. Some of those look very nice. We might change the theme by just clicking install button and just activating it afterwards. But for this tutorial we're not going to do this because it's really simple and you can do it on your own. But for this tutorial we're going to set up a theme that is in the zip archive. Those themes usually come from different marketplaces. And to install this kind of themes we need to click upload theme and we need to click choose file. And here I have downloaded one of those zip themes here. Let's click here and click open. Now let's click install now. As the theme is installed, let's click activate here. Now the theme is active and we can go to our storefront page. Let's click here, visit site. Here you can see the default theme is now changed to the theme that we have uploaded. Let's look into it, and yeah, this is a really nice looking theme. In case you want something more professional looking and some premium themes maybe, you might want to check these two websites. One of them is called Theme Forest. I will put the link into the description, and you can see they have this WordPress section here and they have e-commerce. If you go to e-commerce, you can see these themes are made for WooCommerce. You can see the Woo logo here. They have really nice themes here. If you click live preview on one of them, you will be able to see how the theme looks in action. For example, let's click on this one maybe. As you can see, this is really professionally looking theme. Something that will impress your clients. There's another platform called TemplateMonster. This one here. And here they have Woocommerce section here. And if you go to one of these subsections, you can see nice themes they have here. They also have a live demo here as well. Very nice looking theme, guys. Alright, I'll probably make another video later on explaining different themes and reviewing some of them, maybe some other marketplaces. But for now, as we have our default theme changed to a custom one, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.